So today I sold my Troy built Hydro 14 with the 58-inch deck. These boys here are from the Boogie Down Bronx, and they using it to mow. What are you using it to mow for, Will?
Just a van. My backyard.
Anyway, hate to see this go, but it's going to a good home where they could actually use it. I can't use it just to mow my front. So good luck to him. It's a nice mower. Hey guys, it's Henry from Mowers and Blowers. So my next door neighbor, that house right across the street from me, he just moved in about 6 months ago. Just had a baby too. You know how I hate working on other people's stuff, right? He comes over, he brings me this Husqvarna push mower, and he goes, "Hey, you think you can help me take a look at this thing?" I says, "Yeah, sure. What are neighbors for, right?" Anyway, I know he's busy. Just wants to mow his lawn. This is it. Cord pulled all the way out. Doesn't retract. Probably busted the coil on the inside. Problem with the Briggs Stratton is that you got to take the entire engine cover off just to get access to the coil, you know. That's what I'll do now. It's just 2 bolts there, 2 bolts in the back, fuel tank, let it hang. We'll take a look. Okay, all the bolts are off. Gas tank's to the side. It's just hanging there by the fuel line. And this baby just comes off. Well, if you didn't have the muffler guard. Yep, coil is off the frame of this. You take that nut off and check it out. Exactly what I said it was. That part there just broke off. Good part is, this is still kind of bent. I'm just going to cut right there and rewind it. So I rebent a new one. You know, it's not going to last, I don't think, for a while, you know what I'm saying, because it's kind of degraded. Once you do the bend, you know, you're degrading the metal a little bit, so it's kind of weak at that end. But since it's just to hold it in place, not so much all the pressure's on it because it's such a long coil, it should hold up for a while, but it really should get a new coil. But, you know, I want to do what I can to get them going again. So I wound the tension and replaced this cap here that holds the 2 butterfly things. See how it pops out like that? Now I'm going to stick the cord through the holes. So I've got it all knotted. And so now I just let go and let it wind. Uh-oh. There you go. Cool. So now we will put everything back. It should be good to go. And I just put it back together again and did the same thing. Can you believe that? That sucks. So instead of screwing around with that one, I have this one, spare parts. Just gonna take that whole reel, replace it. There you have it. All fixed. All it needed was a new coil. It shouldn't have taken me that long. I had to do it twice. But whatever. Spare one. Fixed it for him. What are neighbors for, right? See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.